Does your child or teenager throw lots of tantrums? Does he or she gets angry very easily? Then this video brings solution to those. Basically in this video I am going to explain your traits of anger, tantrum throwing, irritation and resentment with the help of graphology, also how to change the same with graphology. Let's first see how anger shows in handwriting. We can analyze anger in handwriting through two alphabets. One through Q and other one through T. Let's first see Q. If tail in small q is very long, then writer gets angry over slightest things. To remove the straight, practice writing tail of q small as shown in image. Now let's see how temper shows in T with graphology. When T cross bar is towards right of stem, not crossing the T stem, then it shows anger. Here's example of small t that shows anger and small t that does not show anger. Now let's see which alphabets shows tantrum throwing with graphology. It's the letter small k that shows tantrum throwing with graphology. If in the middle of any word where k is supposed to be small, but writer makes capital instead of small k, then that writer throws tantrums. Tantrums are just another form of anger. To remove tantrums from handwriting, practice writing small k in the middle of the words till it becomes your natural way of writing. You can see an example of same in above image. Now let's see irritation with graphology. Irritation in graphology shows when dots of small I are jabs and not pure dots. Now time to see how resentment shows in handwriting with graphology. Resentment shows when the starting stroke of alphabet starts at or below the baselines. Resentment and irritation are lesser forms of anger which, if found in handwriting for longer period of time, can turn into anger. To get detailed analysis done, contact avaniparet1985@gmail.com.